All right, so the color grading, I can go to the red. So this time it's going to affect the skin tones because the skin tone is red. There's a way I should explain this one for you. So colors like this, they are red. There are some colors that are also yellow. You can see that the color of the eyes is actually blue. But I think it's on there's a tutorial for that. Okay, so you can add red, you can remove red from the color. If you want to make a black, you can add all of these to alter a color. Okay, so you can add in yellows, very rich, brownish. If that's too much, you can increase some red. So you have a good what's it called now, skin tones. So I'm just gonna take this backward. Too much of it is bad. Let's remove some greens. Let's add some greens, sorry. Okay, so now this one brightens or darkens the face, you can see. So it's just a way of adding contrast. I'm gonna go to the yellow channel and I can even add more yellows. I can remove more yellows. It depends on the color you want to achieve. So this one is giving blue, this one is giving it yellow. So let's put some yellows to it, and you can add some greens. Remove if you take it towards, you get the natural look she had. So just before and after code. And let's see, adding some red, removing some zero. So I think adding red to it. If you want to know how I add red, opposite of cyan is red. So if I take it towards the label of the cyan, I'm adding red to it. You can increase and decrease whichever one. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this one at 0. And now we can go to the magenta. The magenta. Sorry. That's the color of the magenta though. Let's zoom out. Let's go back. Selective color. Okay, so the magenta now. There's something about color theory we need to understand. Okay, I think we need to use the complementary, and how to know that is to use a visual edge. The green, a visual edge will help for this, but let's just check what's actually going to help here. I'm going to leave it at this one. Let's go to the blues. Let's see, we have some blues. Yes, so something like this. This looks calm. I like this one. Sharpens the image. Nope. Purple. Yep. Because of the red on our lips, right? Let's go to the cyan. So we have nothing changing in the cyan. There are no cyan in the image. Might be there, but might be low. So for the white now, which is the highest, you can add a specific color. You can see. So I can add some blues. I can take away the yellows. It's even whitening the highs more. I can take away the red. It's going to add some cyan. So let's just leave this at 0. We can brighten it up or darken it. This is darkening the highs. This is whitening the highs. It's even added a little more brightness on the tip. So just like that, we can go to the black, and this is just adding specific color to the, you can see, adding specific color to the blacks and the reds. So let's take a look at what color is on the black, that's spilled on the black. With this one I can see some, let's go to the blues. For the black, sorry, let's use the yellow. And let's take it backwards. Okay, so I see blues, so I added some yellows, and we can give some cyan like this. Remove some greens. So 333 should be fine. So we have from this to this. Brighten up the image a little bit. Now let's keep on color grading. We can go to the color balance. Now the color balance adds some specific color to the midtones, highlights, and shadows. It's different from the what's it called now, the selective color. At the time you need to use mask. Okay, So let's say the midtones. I'm going to add to the shadows a complementary color for this, which is supposed to be the green. So we can, this for the shadows. There's a lot of shadows. Yep. So a very warm one, it should be fine. Let's see. That should be okay. Yep, around out. Highlights. Let's see the highlights. Calm color. Let's, because she has a calm look. We need a calm look. We need a calm look. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Midtones where things get more busy. Yeah. Okay, I can leave the skin tone 0 and leave it like that. So sometimes you need to apply a lot. This is just application of lots. There is so much you can do. You can choose a specific color like this. Change the color. Anything is possible. That's a magenta. Okay, so you can see what's going on inside. So let's just use this as 0. So this from this color to this color. I prefer this one though. Alright, so we're just color grading, and there are no depth to this one, so it's actually very not too easy to get the best color grade inside the image. So but the best one you can use is the selective color. You can actually add a specific color, and you can choose if you want to affect the luminosity or the color only. So that's what's just there inside. You can see what's going on, a specific color and all of that. I'm going to remove it, delete. So Ctrl Shift Alternate E. Yep, I'm going to group all to this place, and you can see how far we go from here to here. Just take a look how the difference between here to here looks like. So it's actually a long one, but if I'm to edit, I'll take my time, and this is because I'm rushing. Okay, all right guys, so see you in the next one.